Alright guys, today you're going to try out Sway. Sway is kind of like a presentation helper through Office 365. The cool thing about Sway, there's lots of cool things about it, but it's web-based, number one, so it saves automatically. And also with Sway, all you have to do is put in your information in your presentation and whatever pictures you want to use, and then Sway puts it all together for you, neat and cool looking, and so you don't have to worry about that. And so it's kind of neat. We're going to try it out today. Let me show you how to get there. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Eagle Mountain Saginaw website, and you go to Employees, and you click on Office 365 Email. See, now I'm already signed in here. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now, your sign in is going to be your student ID at student.ems-isd.net. I'm going to go ahead and sign myself in, and mine is R. Eichenberry at student.ems-isd.net. And your password is just your regular password. So instead of typing in R. Eichenberry, you're just going to type in your student ID. Okay? And your password is just your regular password that you use to log into a computer. Okay, so then it's going to log you into your email. Your email is going to be the first thing that shows up here. Okay? So now, in order to get to Sway, you're going to go up here to this search box up here, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to find Sway, and you're going to click on Sway. Okay, so here's Sway. There's tutorials here if you want to look at that. We're going to click on Create New. Okay, so my only stipulation here is that you have at least 6 slides and you have a bunch of pictures and that you have fun doing this. So you can do this however you want. If you want to just remake your classes that you did your PowerPoint on, you can do that. You can do something like your favorite music, your favorite foods. You can do sports. You can do your favorite TV shows. You know, whatever you like. I just want you to do a presentation that tells me about, you know, this stuff that you like. At least 6 slides with lots of pictures. And so let's say, you know, I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to put, let's say I decide to do my classes. If you decide to do my classes, then you can go back to your PowerPoint and kind of put in the same information, just put it into Sway. So this is going to be your title, and if you want to put if you want to have a background, you can see that there. We'll just go ahead and choose it. I think. Just drag that over there. So that's pretty cool. And then let's say that I want to go ahead and add some, so I'm going to click on this plus sign, and let's say I want to add a text. So let's say, actually, let's try a heading. So this would be science, and then it'll look for pictures for me. I think if I type in science, and it's looking, okay, let's say I like this one. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some text, And this is where I'm going to put in my bullets, and I'm going to say, okay, I learned this, I learned this, and I learned this. Okay? And then I'm going to go to my next one, and this is another heading, and I'm going to go with history. And I'm going to put in another picture. You can obviously search for whatever, whatever you want. You can put in, it just tosses up some suggestions. Okay, there's history, and then I'm going to put my text in there again. All right, and then once you get through all of your classes, or whatever it is that you're doing this with on, then you can play it. Okay, and then once it plays, once it shows that to you, then you can go back and you can remix it if you don't like the way they designed it. You can also go in here and do some design work yourself if you want. But the cool thing about Sway is it will remix it as many times as you want. You can go horizontal or vertical. Just, play around with it until you can remix it again. See, now it's tricked it up again. There, it's changed it again. So, pretty cool. And so now once you're done with this, then you're going to go to share, and it's going to give you a link. And you just copy that link and go back to Edmodo and turn it in. Okay? So, have fun with that. We'll work on this today after your test, and then we'll work on it on Monday as well, and then start Publisher on Tuesday.